Today we'll talk about how can you enable commerce notifications on your GC app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on notifications. Then you come to next step here. You just click on notification categories down here. You come here to commerce here. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean commerce notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.